Baby girl, you are so pretty, 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 pretty. Baby girl, you are so pretty, 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 pretty.
Welcome back, loyalties. I love y'all. So today what we're going to be doing, we are going to be doing a at-home spa day for your girl. Right here I have a professional spa facial steamer, and this thing, it opens up your pores, it boosts hydration, and it increases your blood flow. Yes, it's for your face. So what you got to do is you got to apply your water in there, and I will also leave the information for this below. Ladies, one thing that we need to do for ourselves is self-care, and we need to make sure our skin is looking nice too. So as you see, I'm dipping my face down in there, and it says I'm supposed to leave my face in there for 3 minutes. To be honest, I hope I'm doing it correctly, but whatever, it did its job and it did phenomenal. Yes, it got super hot. I had to come back up for air. Yes, sis face was, them pores was opening. Let me tell you, it came and it came to serve, and it served. I was not disappointed at all. I stayed a little bit longer this time around, but you want to let it do its thing. And yeah, my face was hot. As you can see, it is like moist. I'm sure if I stayed in there a little bit longer, I would have been dripping sweat. But it did phenomenal, guys. It did amazing. Now we're doing our feet. Yes, y'all thought I was just gonna leave with that on my feet? No. So this is a machine that my husband got me like 2 years ago. I never used it, but like I said, this is my self-care routine that I'm doing with you guys today. And I was like, why not? Let me get my loyalties to come along with me. And so as you can see, I am putting peroxide in here. Now I got this idea from another YouTuber, and her results look phenomenal. And so I was like, you know what, I'm gonna try this as well. So this is my own personal foot soak detox salt, and we're gonna see how we do. My husband bought me that as well. So the lady that I got my results from, I'm gonna leave her information down below, so if you guys want to go check her page out, you can. See, I ain't no gatekeeper, okay? So let me tell you, this was so relaxing, y'all. Like, my kids kept coming up there trying to see what I was doing. I was like, look, bye, get out, this is my time. So right here, these are the utensils that my husband bought me as well. It's for your feet. I know a lot of y'all are used to seeing these, so I don't have to go through each one and name them, but I'm gonna show you the one I'm gonna pick. Yes, that's the one I'm gonna pick. And what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna use this on the bottom of my feet, just excess dead skin off that the machine wasn't able to get off, but it was really little to none. Like, that peroxide came and served, honey, because see, look, I'm a female. I love my heels. Like, I love my heels. I've been wearing heels since like the 12th grade, okay? Oh my God, my feet was so smooth, y'all. At the end of this video, I'm gonna have my husband to come do a foot check, and I'm gonna let y'all know what he say. So babe got me a towel to come get my feet out. I want y'all to see what he think, what he's saying. So let me tell you, my feet was like butter, baby. Y'all might not know about that, but yeah, it was smooth. Oh my gosh, look. Yes, he was like, wow, babe, that did good. So yeah, I was happy, I was pleased, babe was happy. It was a good night. So now that we're all done, ladies and gentlemen, because men can do this too for their feet, for their wives, make sure you grease your feet. And I thank y'all so much for watching. Thank you, babies. Make sure you subscribe, like, and hit the bell button so every time I post a video, you'll know. Kisses.